Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is the main focus of agile software development. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is agile software development or its purpose? So the main focus of agile software development guys, according to our presentation, a goal of agile software development is to focus more on producing working software and less on documentation. So it is more focusing on how we were able to create functional or useful, productive software rather than writing more documentation. This is in the contrast of waterfall models where the process is often highly controlled and minor changes to the system require significant revision of supporting documentation. So that's why many companies or developers adapt agile software development rather than other software methodologies, because it is more focusing on creation of more workable software rather than more on documentation. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.